Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Krizbeatz, the drummer boy. Today, I'm going to be showing you 4 plugins that can take your music to the next level, that can take your creativity to the next level. And it's in no particular order, but I'm going to be starting from number 4 to one of my favorite plugin ever made. I actually had to reach out to this company and ask them to give me this plugin to share out to you guys. I'll be letting you know how to win this particular plugin by the end of this video. With that said, let's get straight into it after the intro. Wire! Welcome back to Worldwaveradio, where we bring the word to you. Yes, so if you are just joining us and you like what you've been seeing since the beginning, please check out more videos that we have on this channel. We have more interesting stuff on the channel. And yes, if you want to take your music production to the next level, mixing, beat making, recording, and everything that has to do with music, you can go to the link below and check out www.krizbeatzmusicacademy.com, where you can learn from the best, of course. With that said, let us start by number 4. Number 4, we're kicking off with one of my absolute favorite. When this plugin came out, I used it on almost everything, vocals, anything that you can think of. And number 4, we have Portal by Output. So Portal is a granular effects processor. By now, I'm sure most of you guys know I love that. Everyone knows I love how what granular synthesis. So it can completely turn any audio into a unique sound. Portal opens up a new world of sonic possibilities where you can use it to add texture, movement, and depth to your music. So let's check out Portal. Say for instance, we have a key like this. Of course, this is how it comes, but you can use any presets from here. You can go from you can always change this. Instantly add it to anything, it will instantly turn that thing into something different. Let's see what it sounds like with the beat. Ooh. Yes, instant creativity. Portal at number 4. Next up, we have another absolute favorite of mine. I've been with these guys for quite some time now. I still use them for almost all my drums. Almost, yes, I won't lie. I still use them for almost all my drum. And the next one is Grains by Propellerhead. So Grains by Propellerhead. Propellerhead are the same company that makes Reason. So this is a granular synthesis powerhouse that offers an unparalleled control over your sound, allowing you to manipulate audio at the microscopic level. So you can manipulate audio at the tiniest level. So from time stretching, pitch shifting to spectral processing. Let's stop talk and let me open Propellerhead. I forgot to open that one before we even started the video. So this is great. So you can bring in anything and the granular will do the magic for you. Let me bring this in. Yes, so this you can definitely manipulate it to create anything. Okay, yes, that is Grains by Propellerhead. Coming in hot at number 2 is another one that I really have been using lately. And yes, if you're still enjoying the video so far, like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think, and let me know what your own plugin for instant creativity is. Tell me now in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video. So next we have Infiltrator by Devious Machines. So this, it takes the concept of glitch and processing to a new level, offering a wide range of glitch and modulation options. It can add a subtle rhythmic accent and completely warp your audio beyond recognition. It does not destroy the audio, but it destroys the audio in a very sweet way. Let me show you. Oh, I forgot to play what the last try sounded like with the beats we're working on. Let's hear what it sounds like on the kick. On the kit, usually I use Infiltrator on bass, and let's see the preset that comes with Infiltrator. And the good thing that almost every company is now doing now is the ability to add your mix knob. So if I say it does not sound good to me, I can do like this. I can come here and mix it. You can hear that. You hear to add anything that we want to this sound. See, imagine see the amount of texture I'm adding by just one plugin. Lovely, lovely. Ooh, so much texture, bro. Let me check this. Bro, I'm definitely going to leave this on the beat. I'm sorry. Yes, moving on to number 1. That is my favorite plugin. I reached out to this company and told them that, oh, please, I saw your plugin online and I like it. I would like to try it. And they sent it to me to try. And I told them that if I like it, I might make a video for you. But they have nothing to do with how and what I am saying. They don't even know I'm making this video right now. As a matter of fact, they might have even forgotten, feeling like, oh yes, this guy will not make this video anymore. Let's just move on. Yes, this is it. This is the time it's supposed to come out. We have a schedule for everything, so I'm sure they understand that, because they also have schedules for things themselves. So yes, my number 1 plugin for instant creativity is Live by XNL Audio. XNL Audio are the company that are responsible for giving us RC20. You know RC20, and you guys know how I sing the praises of RC20 on this channel. Live is a game changer for me, because Live has helped me to stop thinking about the type of percussion I want to add to my music. This groundbreaking plugin combines algorithm. I don't know how they did it, but there's a lot of algorithm, AI, groundbreaking thing, yet it sounds so organic and so rich, whereby you can get 1,000 different types of percussion by just clicking a button, and then it will reshuffle the whole thing. Let me show you. Let me stop speaking. And the beautiful thing is, you can record something on your phone and then it goes inside the plugin. It syncs inside the plugin automatically. Let me show you, and let me try to record something. Yeah, we on YouTube. I love you too. Yeah, we on YouTube. If you like this, I'm going to be giving this away for free. My name is Krizbeatz. Krizbeatz. Watch. Let me name this Kriz YouTube sample. So watch the magic now. Let's come here and search for... okay, yes, updated Kriz YouTube sample. Then let's load this. So watch. Let me play just the instrumental we had before with this. Bro, did you hear that? No, you don't get. Let me mute some, please. So if I like that, I can put that in. But if I don't like that, I can still hit this randomize. Then it generates a completely new groove for me. Randomize again. Randomize again. So as not to make this video too long, I will stop here. By the way, we started teaching students how to use this plugin on Krizbeatz Music Academy. So, more of the people from the academy will be getting this. Of course, we're not. Of course, you should be on this. But like I said, they had nothing to do with what I'm going to say or whatsoever. I want to give this away to 5 lucky winners on this channel. So all you have to do to enter is follow XNL Audio on all their social media platforms. Send me a screenshot on Worldwaveradio, or even send it to me on Krizbeatz, Krizbeatz_ on IG. And tell me why I should give you this. Tell me what you want to create with it, and I will surely be sending you a free setup for this, a free license that I'll be getting from the XNL Audio people. So with that said, there you have it, the 5 or 4 plugins for instant creativity. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you in the next class. Love. Imagine having a guitar doing jam 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 jam. You can use it to slice up guitar. You can use it to create new vocal feel from. It's cutting that.